In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a Calendly booking page. To get started, log into your Calendly account and head to the scheduling area. This is where you'll manage the event types that people can book with you. Once you're there, look under event types and choose the specific event you want to customize. This could be a one-on-one meeting, a consultation, or any other session you've already set up. Click on that event to open its settings panel. From here, you'll be able to adjust the details that shape your invitee's booking experience. First, expand the description section and enter information about the meeting. This is a great place to explain the purpose of the session, what attendees should expect, or anything they should prepare in advance. Next, open limits and buffers. Here, you can control how much time you want between meetings and set booking limits to avoid overloading your schedule. This can be especially helpful if you want breathing room before or after appointments. After that, expand free busy rules. These settings let you decide how invitees can book around events that already exist on your connected calendar. Adjust these options carefully so your availability reflects the way you actually work. Then move to booking page options. In this section, you can customize your booking URL, adjust time increments, and review time zone settings. These details may seem small, but they can make your booking page easier to use and more professional. Now expand invitee form. This is where you can add, edit, or remove the questions people answer before confirming a booking. Keep the form clear and focused so you collect the information you need without making the process feel too long. If you plan to charge for appointments, expand payment and set that up here. If not, you can simply leave that section as is. Next, go to Notifications and Workflows. This is where you configure confirmation emails, reminders, and follow-up messages. Well-timed notifications can reduce no-shows and help invitees feel informed throughout the process. Then expand the confirmation page and customize what invitees see after booking. This is your chance to provide a helpful next step or set expectations for what happens next. Once everything looks good, click Preview to review your booking page. Take a moment to check the layout, wording, and overall flow. If needed, make any additional adjustments until you're happy with the result. When you're done, click Save Changes. Finally, click View Landing Page to verify that your updated booking page appears exactly the way you want. Thanks for watching.